Hello friends, I am going to be doing a injection in the Vent Glute again, but this is different because it's a Christmas injection. So it's Christmas Eve here and I am going to show you exactly how easy and pain-free this can be so you can go out and continue shopping and opening gifts and celebrating with friends and family. So I have a 1 ml BD luer lock syringe installed in the device today. This is what we're going to be using. And also, I have a, let's see if we can get this to focus up, hopefully, 1/2 inch 27 gauge needle. So once you have your injection prepared, you're going to take the device and you will load it into the syringe holder. Just push down, just like that. Pull it back. Remove the safety. Hit the button. That's all you have to do. Easy as that. Best thing you'll ever buy if you have any kind of fear, anxiety related to injections. I just personally use this as a convenience device. Don't really have any fear or problems with injections, but it's phenomenal. It's just so easy. Hit the button, bam. Takes you about 10, 15 seconds depending on how much medication that you are injecting. So let's get to it. Okay, so we are ready to go. Now the only thing left to do is administer the injection. I have a prepped alcohol pad here, so that's how you will clean your injection site. We are going to be doing a vent glute injection. And how do we locate that? Well, I'm going to try to pull my shirt up, see if I can get this to stay, just like so that you can see. So our hip. Now, we're going to be injecting between the hip bone and the femur, or your leg bone. So that's about right here. So you have a really large area in between those two landmarks, about like that. You just make a triangle. And then anywhere in here, you can also do this marching motion. And you can see it. See that muscle? That's the gluteus medius, and that's where we are going to be injecting. So what we will do, we have our prepared injection in the injector. We'll remove the cap, just like that. Pull it back. Remove the safety. Now, finding my hip bone, I would try to not stand on this leg too much. And then 1, 2, 3, hit the button. Depress the plunger. There we go. Once you're done, you can hold the injector and pull this back, just like so.